Hey y'all, it's attorney Shanna Carter and I practice personal injury law in the state of Georgia. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about some things that you should know if you own or drive a vehicle in the state of Georgia. So tip number one, if you drive a vehicle, never drive it without insurance. And I say that because one, it's illegal. And another reason I say that is because if you don't have insurance, you're at fault for an accident, you're putting yourself and your personal assets at risk. You're going to be personally exposed to liability. That's why you want to have insurance as like a buffer so that if you are at fault, that insurance company comes in and they're the one that has to pay out if you're at fault versus you having to have someone sue you personally, get a judgment against you, and possibly put like a lien or something on your house, your car, or whatever the assets may be. Tip number two is to always have more coverage than the state minimum. And here in Georgia, the state minimum is only $25,000. And finally, tip number three, always make sure that you have coverage. And you want to have coverage added on and not reduced by. And the reason you want to have coverage is say you get into an accident and the other driver doesn't have insurance. Well, your coverage comes in to protect you. That's why you need it, because it's uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Or say the other driver runs off and you never can find that driver. That's why you want to have coverage. And another reason is, say the driver does stick around, they don't run off, or they do have insurance. Well, what if they only have $25,000 and that's not enough to cover you and the rest of your family that's in the car? You want to make sure that you and your family are taken care of.